Hello and welcome once more. And basically today I'm very excited because I'll be showing you some few tips. In fact, a lot of people in Cameroon get asked, okay, how do I really start from scratch and make money on the internet? And I just wanted to tell you that it's very easy for you to start with nothing and literally make thousands of dollars from the internet. So today Paul and I will be sharing how to start making between 250,000 to 500,000 francs per month with an opportunity that we quite created. So we'll be making a walkthrough video of how to get to know about this opportunity, what it's all about, and the extra benefits that are put to the opportunity. So if you scroll down here, and I'm going to click on this thing because we created a product, and the product literally is about cryptocurrencies, where we're literally showing people how to get started with cryptocurrencies. So we created an affiliate system where you could sign up as an affiliate. And so if you go, here's the video sales page, the sales page, masters in cryptocurrency and bitcoins. Let me post that video. So this is actually the sales page, like the web page, where I give a little snippet of what you're going to get in the course. You're going to see testimonials, and you're also going to see some frequently asked questions. So the cost is $49. In France CFA is 27,500 francs. So let's say as an affiliate, there's an affiliate system behind this course where you could get to sign up as an affiliate basically and promote the products for free. And we refer to our top affiliates, we pay an extra bonus of an iPhone 7 Plus on top of the commission that you get as an affiliate, because every affiliate has I think every affiliate for this course gets 30% of this amount. So you get 30% of this amount. So let's say that you're promoting this course, okay? If you're promoting this course, and I'm going to simplify it to the Cameroonian context, because 30% of this amount basically in Cameroon is 8,200 francs. So imagine you succeed in selling this course to one person. This is what you get. And if you sell the course to, let's say, 50 people, okay? Let's say 50 people. It means that this amount times this amount is going to give you 410,000 francs. How good is that? That's much money, okay? That's money that a government worker does not earn. So you can get to earn this. You can set a target where you could be making this amount of money regularly by promoting our course, Masters on Cryptocurrency and Bitcoins. And on top of this money, we refer to our top affiliates. There's a price context. So our top affiliates, we give them an iPhone 7 Plus, okay? An iPhone 7 Plus. And I know some people might be asking, okay, Maria, I don't know anything about affiliate marketing. How does this thing work? Okay, we created an extra 10 videos training course, literally showing people how to get started as an affiliate. So that is basically what you can do. And to sign up as an affiliate, okay, it's quite easy. Let me tell you how. You just go to the sales page. I'll make this link available below this video so that you can go to the sales page. You just scroll down, okay, affiliate sign up, and it's going to take you to another page where you can basically sign up as an affiliate. If you already have an affiliate account, you're going to just enter your email address. You can sign up here. You're going to have to confirm your PayPal email. Please make sure that you have a PayPal email account. And also, let's say Marie, I'm an affiliate already for this same course, so I'm also promoting the course. And let me just show you how where you're going to get your referral link to promote this course. So if you go here to my campaigns, and you're going to see the image product, Masters in Cryptocurrency and Bitcoins. What is going to happen is that it's going to take you, you're going to see your affiliate link, and from your dashboard you can see all your conversions and everything. So this is your affiliate link, and this is where you send people to. Okay, this is, if I open this link in the new description, it's basically going to take us to the sales page. Okay, so this is where you send people to, and once they make a sale, I get informed. So the system is quite organized. There's no possibility of error. And I created a group where on Facebook that I constantly communicate with my athletes. In case you have a problem or any problem about promoting this course, then you can get to me in my group and we're going to help you. Paul and I were always here ready to help you. So this is just one of the reasons, this is just one of the ways that you could basically make 250,000 francs to 500,000 francs per month in Cameroon. I hope that this video could really help you. And if you have any problem, feel free to comment below. And don't forget, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Click the bell button so that I get notified anytime you upload a video. And one last thing, don't forget to comment below and share this video. It might help somebody. Thank you very much.